Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your mortgage account on UFCU. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in mymortgage.ufcu.org/homehub/login. You will now directly be taken into the login portal for your UFCU mortgage services. Now within the email address section, type in the email address that you have used while signing up to create your account and then enter your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the sign in button and you will be logged into your account on UFCU Mortgage Services right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on UFCU Mortgage. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.